I'm meeting my buddies out on the lake. We're headed out to a special place we love, but just a few folks know. There's no signing up, no monthly dues. Take your Johnson, your Mercury, or your Evan Root and fire it up. Me decide a party call. Come on in, the water's fine. Just idle on over and toss us a line. Fast tractors, bay liners, and a party barge from the